Hello, it's Wade. Wade's Unboxings. It's been a while, but we're back with a new unboxing. And today we have the Black & Decker drill driver and 100-piece project kit. So here it is. It's a whole kit, and it comes with the drill, a battery, I'm assuming a charger, a carrying case, and a bunch of accessories. If we look at the sides, it's a value pack. It's over $150 worth of value. It was really good price at Christmas time. And then on the back, we can see there's a whole bunch of stuff that comes with it. And we will do a quick review of everything. And the bottom's just normal bottom stuff. And the side, it shows other tools and yard stuff that takes the same 20-volt batteries. So let's just get this going. I'll open this up. Let's see what we have here. It comes with in a case by itself. Everything's in the case. Let me double check the box. Nothing else in the box. So that away, and we have here the case itself, which has the Black & Decker logo on it, which is a rubbery, two handles, and the side around to the bottom is the Black & Decker orange. So let's open this up, see what we get, and let's put this over the side. So first off, we have the drill itself. It's very light indeed. It's keyless, chuck, and has reversing and forward speeds, and you can change the torque by turning this knob at the top here from very light, which would be just for doing screws and stuff, to all the way up to drilling, which would be something like concrete or metal, where you need a lot of torque. And we'll just set it to 10 beginning, and it is a 3/8 keyless chuck, so we can put that there, and at the bottom we can just see it has a holder for a quick change screwdriver, and the bottom itself has the slot for the battery. So I'll just put that here for a sec. Next we have is the battery itself, which is the standard 1.5 amps 20-volt battery that this tool takes. And as we saw on the picture of the box, multiple other tools take this same size battery. And I do have the whippersnipper. I'll call it whippersnipper, but grass trimmer is probably the more generic term. And I do have extra batteries. So this was another battery, so that's 4 batteries I'll have for these types of tools. And then we have the standard charger, same as the one that came with the grass trimmer. It's the slow charge. Takes quite a long time to charge a battery. It's about anywhere between 6 to 8 hours per battery itself, if it is completely drained. Then what it does is it has lights on it, and when it's all done up, it'll glow green, and it'll be red when it's charging and blinking when it's charging. Very simple. I have that, and we have the manual, instruction manual, standard stuff for, drill's pretty simple. And then we have the box of accessory goodies. So let's open this up and see what comes in this. There's a whole bunch of stuff. So we have some drills. Let me just get the box because it gives a little explanation on each one of these. So I will explain each one. So these here are the masonry drills. It has a unique tip on it for digging into the concrete or masonry. There are 5 of them, from 1/8 to 1/4. Then we have the brad point drill bit. This is for wood drilling, and again it has a unique tip to it to start the drill a lot easier in wood itself. And again, 1/8 to 1/4 sizing. And then for the last drills that come with it, we have the general purpose drill bits. And these, let me see if I can get some contrast. These drills, you get more of them. It's 1/16 to 1/4 inch in size. And these are used for general all-purpose, from metal to plastic and wood. Then we have this screwdriver head set. Let's see what they actually call it. It's the 32 piece. Well, it's quite a bit. 32 pieces. Screwdriver bits. So basically there are 9, I'll call them stars, I know there's real names for them, 6 flatheads, 14 squares, and 3 hex. And in this case, you take them out, and then you can use the adapter to change them out. And it comes with some wall anchors and screws. Useless, there's what, 4 of each. And we have, let's see what we got here, some sockets. Let's see what this is called, the 1/4 inch sockets. And there are 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can just barely see it's inside it. And again, the adapter for the drill. And it goes from, doesn't say, yeah, there's a 4mm, 6mm, 8mm, 10mm, and a 12mm. So the 10 and 12 are pretty common. The other ones are pretty small in general. Let's see what we have here. We have some more screw heads. This time we have, let's see which one this is, 7-piece, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7-piece screwdriver bits. And the length is 3.5 inches. So these are just a little bit longer, same purpose as the other ones. And again, we have the same type of thing here. Oh, these are actually the 2-inch sets, so there's 2 of those. And if I go here, dig this in, we have the 3.5 inch, just to reach in farther if you had to reach in and do some drilling, screwing of some screws. So basically you have 4 stars and 2 Robinsons, square ones. And we have here, see, what do they actually call this? Nut drivers. These are all imperial, and they range from the smallest, which is 3/16, all the way up to 1/2 inch. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of them. And we have a sizing chart. It's a drill bit gauge, actually, is what they call it. And you can have very small, you can't really see the numbers on them, but it goes from 5/32 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch. So you can use that for sizing. And then you finally have your screwdriver, what do they call it? Ratcheting screwdriver. So you can hear it ratchet, and you get forward and backwards. And you use this with conjunction of this type tool, and you can change out these bit heads. Or, let's put that back, you could use one of the nuts in itself to do the nut head screwing. Take that out, put that back in. So in general, there's quite a bit of accessories, especially for someone that doesn't have an existing drill set. This comes with a lot of nice little drills. They are small in size, and you probably would need something larger if you do a lot more work around the house and stuff like that, because 1/4 of an inch is quite small. But you know, it's easy enough to go out and buy a driver set or a drill head set, and as a starting set, it's pretty nice. It was what, 100 piece set overall. Let me just double check that. 100 accessories, yeah. So, and they count these as 8. You know, this silly little wall anchor things, which is pretty much useless. But all the other stuff isn't too bad at all. So let's see if we can get any little charge. I'm not going to drill anything because I have nothing to drill right now. So it does have some charge, and let's put this to low torque. And let's just close this up. So you can easily hold it, and it will break free, so it doesn't, you know, strip the nuts or the drill, the screws that you're putting in. And then you can torque it up, and I cannot stop that. Oh, yeah. You have to really go really strong with. My hand is a little moist, so it's getting a lot of good grip. But in general, it's not that. And that was on 18, so let me see if I can get that all turned up. I cannot. No, the torque is enough that you cannot stop it with your hand on the highest level setting, which would be what, 22, 24, something like that. But even on, you know, something like 18, 16, you can, with a good grip, stop it. This battery is probably not fully charged, which may have some play into the torque, but overall, it's a nice balance grip with the weight on the bottom and the weight of the drill part. There is no light or anything fancy about this. It's a general drill. It works, seems to work pretty nicely, and it does come with a little bit of charge. So that's the quick overview of the Black & Decker driver, drill, and 100 piece project kit. If you like, subscribe, and it's Wade's Unboxings. Thank you.